Hi, today we're looking into feedback form and we're going to understand how you can take help of this feedback form to track the feedback received from your customers. So I just click on the share form and I click on copy form link, and then once you open this link in a new tab, it will open up the particular form for a customer to fill out. So you can embed this form and place it on any of the websites that you're using. Let us go ahead and fill out this form quickly to show you how it will be captured on the responses side. So I'm going to quickly fill in some details. So as you can see, I filled in some details randomly, and as I click on submit, the response will get captured onto the form builder. And if you go to the responses side, you can see that response is getting captured over here. So you can take help of this particular form and edit these changes over here if you need it. And you can click on share form and copy this link and put it to your customers to fill out the particular form so you can capture the responses. So besides this, I also want to highlight there is a tool called as PDF output. This helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, which uses a Google document as a template, and the data you can store in a Google Sheet or a Notion database. It works both with both cases. So you can generate invoices or any other documents that are generating for a business or any other personal use case, and it can happen in bulk records as well. So it will generate batches of documents in one go. I've added the demonstration video over here. You can check out both Notion and Sheets. It shows out how you can exactly use this. And if you have any questions other than these, please feel free to reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.